Here we go.
Here we go. You're here today with Mission Tristan, and today it is time to get rid of my dreads.
Yes.
So this is my buddy Awis.
Yeah.
He's here to help me out. We're also going to do trim up, clean up, all that good stuff. But
let's see how you look.
this is what we got now.
What's next?
Wow.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
So, I look out my post Malone vibes in here, and first I'm just gonna cut them right where they're no longer dreaded, and just kind of see what I've got going on, what's in there, get them all off, and then see if we want to do sides, fade, buzz, whatever, and also that back here. So figure that all out.
Let's see.
Let me grab the scissors.
For the sides, can I get that?
Look how it looks so light. Look how light it looks.
Yeah, that's fading like that.
Yeah, no, good fade. I was just like, I haven't seen that. Okay, what do you want?
It's my first time. Yeah. I can get your machine for the sides.
Okay, hold on.
And a small brush.
You want a small one of these?
Yeah, no, just like the one. Yeah, that's it.
Because I have
the plastic now. Yeah, that's it.
I don't keep the batteries in.
Yeah.
Nice, son of a bitch.
Good exit.
Well, just when I travel, so that it doesn't.
Yeah, can I get also the that small comb? No. That's this one.
Or I have here's like a wooden beer.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll put them back up.
So, how it looks?
That was really good. It was watching. I was like, how you doing?
Yeah. See the other side?
I'm so like wilding out about the color though. That's so fun.
What about the other side? Show me. Whoa, this looks good. So,
Yeah, and this one.
yep.
You got to work.
Oh, let me take a video. While taking it off. This.
Yeah, of course. Actually, I don't want to do that. Yeah.
What's that?
Instagram Live.
Yeah.
Come on, everybody in the dance hall tonight. This is our session. This is our time. Everybody wants to see the sexy body. Come on, everybody, dance to the dawn. You got to
Here we go, guys. Tris, what you gonna do?
So today we are taking off my dreads. Had them for over a year, had some fun. Alright, you want them down?
Can I cut this?
No, do not cut that.
You don't need it anymore.
Oh, actually, that's a good point. Yeah,
Yeah.
probably won't need any hair ties
Yeah,
after this
just keep it as
for a while. No, so we'll let them down. We'll let everyone see what they got going on. They are still purple from when I got up to Halloween shenanigans. But yeah, a couple different reasons. But I've been waiting for some time to.
Yeah.
Waited for some time to, have it shorter
I would
again.
like to
play
take off
with
the
it.
first one.
No, you can't take off the first one. I'll take off the first one.
Okay.
You take off the second one. You take second through like 10. Which one? See, what a choice.
This one.
Why? No, I don't like that one as much. Hold on, I want to choose a favorite one. Ooh, maybe this one.
This one.
Wait. Or one of like the really skinny ones.
Yeah. No, no.
Nah.
The tallest one, I think this one.
Do you think that's the tallest one?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Alright, which one? This gotta be this one, right?
Oh, so, yeah.
Give me that.
Yeah, sure.
Alright, okay. Hello. Hi, man. Thanks. Thanks, Ferris. Fuck Ferris. Love him. Alright, we're doing this, and then there's no go back. So basically, I'm just gonna take it off where the hair becomes dread, and then see how much hair I've got, what's going on, all that, and kind of figure it out from there. Actually, I think I can go a little higher up.
That's better, actually. Whoa!
Oh, it's so freeing. Oh, look at that. Lovely. There goes one.
That's
Alright, you go for the next one. Make sure you wait.
Yeah.
You're gonna go up there. Alright. Oh my god, it's so thick. Look at that.
I think we need to use this.
Jeez. Look at that. It's like a paper. Wait, you think you need that? You're gonna break it.
No. No more. Just use this to do something.
Alright. Yeah,
Yes, here we go. This one. This one.
Alright, if anyone has any good ideas what to do with used dreads,
This one wants one, yeah.
yeah, we're auctioning these off for
This one up and down.
I don't know, we'll make up a charity soon. Let me know if you want to buy it. Wait, no, not that.
So,
go like
no,
that.
no. That's fine, I think. Oh, how many?
I feel like I look.
Oh.
This is my least favorite one. Do you want to cut this one?
Yeah.
This one was always, I called it the unicorn one. It would always hang over my head. It finally got long enough where it would sit back, but it drove me nuts. Donate? I don't think you can donate dreads.
Okay, two that. How
You're such a goof. Alright, do this one. I hate this one. Or should I do it last?
Actually, we need it long.
No,
This
no,
one.
no.
No, we need it long on the side.
Fine.
We could have just like. Whoa!
I told you I hate that one. It's the unicorn one. Oh, it already looks
So,
wild.
here it is.